Hey, what's up guys? Eric742 with Eric's RC channel. So I'm just going to do the unboxing of the Mavic 2 Pro, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. And my little man is here with me. He's going to help me. Alright, so this is just a straight up unboxing. That's really the most of what this video is going to be. Just showing components of what's in it. Let's just get this plastic off of here. Obviously I haven't opened it yet, so I have no idea what's in it, but you know, well, I do have an idea. It's probably just the basic stuff that's supposed to be in it. But I will show you exactly what's in it. There we go. Oh wow. Okay. Yeah. It certainly looks nice, and it's much smaller than I thought. Okay, so first things first, I wanted to have a look at this.
Oh.
Alright, so this is the DJI transmitter. Interesting. This is just an unboxing, so we'll have to figure all this out as we go. Okay. It's pretty, I'd say pretty basic so far for, you know, $1,500. It's not, nothing too impressive. I'd rather have a DX9. Mavic 2 cable box. Let's see what this is. These are just little cables, it looks like, for data transfer. Actually, for the phone to connect to the transmitter, I think. I think you use the phone as the screen. And this one is just a straight up USB-C charger. Or link, I guess. The new Galaxies use the USB-C. Let's see what this is. Spare set of props. Another set of props. More props. Looks like some instruction manuals, which I'm sure we'll have to get into with this just because it's got so many. Yep, instruction manuals. Intelligent flight battery guidelines. It's just a lithium polymer, I think. Alright, what's this? It's heavy, so I'm guessing a charger. And it is, you guessed it, a charger. It's like a power supply or it's an actual charger. So it's got the charger and an adapter for the wall outlet. Okay, so we got that. Now we have the actual. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Watch out, Jack. So this is the actual quadcopter itself. Very small. Amazing. The stuff I built was so much more robust than this. Okay. Jet, you weren't supposed to take that off, but it's too late now. Okay, so why are these back two stuck? Oh, interesting. Okay, so that's pretty. Actually, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's got one flight battery that's already in it. I'm guessing it's probably dead. I don't know. It's got This copter's got a bunch of sensors on it. Looks like it's got cameras that are facing downward, or lenses. Looks like infrared sensors. Remove the gimbal protector before powering on. Okay, that's already done. Thanks, Jet. Watch out, Jet. Just got some protectors. More protectors. More sensors. Look at all these sensors. Look at all these lenses. If they are lenses, it sure look like lenses. Wow. And press the power button once, then press and hold for 2 seconds. Charge the battery first too, before activating it. Okay. Okay, so as far as this piece, this looks pretty nice. This is pretty good. I mean, it's solid, it's heavy, it feels nice, it looks well built. It's just got a good, really high quality feel to it. Okay. And it folds up really small. That's nice too. Okay, so I'm seeing a little more where the money's going. But this better be better than it looks. Jet, hey buddy, hey, you're on the table, bud. I was trying to see if there's anything else in there. Let's see if you missed something. Did we miss anything? No, we didn't. Hey, that is not, no sir. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. This was just the unboxing of the Mavic 2 Pro DJI. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be getting test flight soon and have some footage of that. And this should be a really good investment, I believe. It is expensive, but it should be a good investment for what I plan on using it for. So, and I don't have to build it, yay! But not that that's yay, because actually building it was part of the fun. But thanks a lot, guys, for sticking around, and I will see you on the next video, the unboxing. Okay? All right, guys. Later.